bloated and uncomfortable after meals? It's not your food's fault. The culprit could be having too many unwanted bacteria in the small intestine. This is called SIBO, and when you have SIBO, the food you eat becomes a buffet for bacteria before it's fully digested. Broccoli, asparagus, onions, beans, apples, and even watermelon are types of food that have special fibers called oligosaccharides, which your bacteria love to gobble up and ferment. These fiber compounds are important food for bacteria that help them thrive in the colon. But when they're fermented in the small intestine, it causes excessive gas and bloating. When you have SIBO, you must avoid foods and prebiotic supplements with fermentable fibers until balance is restored. As part of a protocol designed for SIBO patients, PhytoPre is a non-fiber-based prebiotic. It contains a blend of key compounds from pomegranate and citrus fruits, called polyphenols. In the gut, polyphenols are broken down into smaller metabolites that promote growth, diversity, and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut, without the issues caused by fermentation. Talk with your practitioner about PhytoPre, the non-fiber prebiotic solution for SIBO that helps restore microbial balance without the gas and belly bloat.